I just finished Google's 6-hour prompt engineering course, and it is hands down the best AI training I have ever taken. So, I'm saving you the time and I've packed every essential tactic Google revealed into this guide, so you can master the entire system in under 12 minutes. It starts with understanding how the model actually thinks. The foundation of everything is task. This is simply what you want the AI to do, not the general topic, but the exact output you need. A bad task is, help me with email, while good task is reformatting the sentence to write an email to my gym staff about a schedule change. But here's where Google takes it further. You can add 2 elements to make the task even stronger. First is persona. This is about setting the lens. When you tell the AI to act as an expert, you aren't just playing pretend. You are priming the model to access a specific set of vocabulary and logic. Asking for a workout plan is fine, but adding the instruction like act as a physical therapist ensures you get safety tips and anatomical focus rather than just a list of exercises. It changes the entire vibe of the answer. Second is format, and this is your biggest time saver. If you don't define the format, the AI defaults to a generic wall of text. By asking for a bulleted list, a markdown table, or even a JSON snippet, you force the AI to organize its thinking. You stop getting raw information that you have to fix later and start getting usable deliverables that are ready to go. These 2 additions turn a basic task into a specific structured result instead of random noise. Once the task is clear, you need to layer in context. Context is the background data that steers the model. The rule here is absolute. The more information you provide, the less the AI has to guess. Let's look at an example. I am building a project management tool for freelance designers. The target users are 25 to 40 and they are frustrated with tools like Asana being too complex. My product focuses on visual timelines and client portals. Keep the tone professional but warm. Now the AI knows exactly who you are talking to and the output becomes targeted instead of generic. Google's course emphasizes this repeatedly. Most people skip context entirely. They assume the AI will figure it out, but it won't. Now, to really lock in the quality, you add references. References are examples that show the AI what you're aiming for. Sometimes, words aren't enough to capture a specific vibe or structure, and that is where examples come in. Let's say you are writing a product description, and you need it to match your specific brand voice. Don't just explain the tone. Paste in 3 of your best descriptions and tell the model, write a new description using the same style as these examples. Or if you are creating social media content, feed it your top performing posts and tell the AI to analyze why they worked. Then have it generate new posts that follow that exact pattern. References turn vague instructions into concrete targets. It stops the model from guessing your style and forces it to match what you already know works. Once you get a response, you move to evaluate. This means checking if the output actually hits the mark. It sounds basic, but this is where most people fail. They skim the text, settle for good enough, and move on. Google teaches systematic evaluation. You need to actively verify that the output matches the task, hits the right tone, and relies on accurate data. If it doesn't, you fix it. This leads us to the final phase, iterate. Prompting isn't a straight line. It is a loop. You ask, check, adjust, and ask again. Google provides 4 specific ways to fix a broken prompt. The first method is to simply revisit the framework. Go back to the start and check if you missed the context or forgot to assign a persona. Sometimes, the fix is just filling in the gaps you missed the first time. If that doesn't work, try the second method, breaking into simpler sentences. The AI processes information just like a human does. If you dump a massive paragraph of instructions, it gets overwhelmed. Don't write a run-on sentence about a Q1 strategy targeting Gen Z with budgets and KPIs all in one breath. Break it down and write something like, create a strategy for Q1, target Gen Z, include a budget, add KPIs. Writing the same information but with clearer structure results in better output. The third tactic is to use analogous tasks. If the direct approach fails, try a different angle. If write a business proposal is giving you dry, boring results, switch the frame. Ask it to write a persuasive argument for a partnership. You are changing the mental model the AI uses, which often gives a much better result. Finally, you can add constraints. Constraints actually force creativity. If you ask for video ideas and get generic results, clamp down on the requirements. Tell it must be under 90 seconds, must focus on one single tip, must start with a question. Now, the AI has to work within a box, which makes the ideas specific instead of broad. And that is it. That is the core of Google's 6-hour course, condensed into a practical guide you can use right now. Just remember the flow. Define the task, set the context, provide references, then evaluate and iterate. That specific loop is the difference between people who complain AI doesn't work and the ones who use it to save hours every week. So give this a shot the next time you open Gemini or ChatGPT. Stop guessing with a single sentence and start building your prompts layer by layer. And if you want to go deeper than this video and actually get the Google certificate, the full course is linked in the description. But knowing how to prompt is only half the battle. You also need the right tools. I tested 7 free AI tools from Google that go way beyond just Gemini. Click right here to watch that breakdown, and I'll see you there.